Your Squarespace site is private by default during the trial. Publishing makes it live to the world. Steps: finish your design. Make sure all pages, images, and text are ready. Choose a plan required to publish. Top left, upgrade, pick a plan, personal $16 per month, business $23 per month, etc. Add payment method, complete checkout, connect or buy a domain. After upgrading, settings, domains, connect existing domain, for example from GoDaddy, or buy new domain through Squarespace, free first year on annual plans. Set as primary domain, click your domain, make primary, save. Remove password protection if enabled, settings, site availability. Choose public, not password protected. Publish. The site is live instantly at yourdomain.com. Squarespace auto adds free SSL, HTTPS within 24 hours.